Good morning student. Sairam. Welcome back to the computer session. In this session, we will start a new lesson, that is Introduction to Qbasic and Qbasic statements. What is the full form of Qbasic? Q means quick, beginners, all-purpose, symbolic, instruction, code. Quick, beginners, all-purpose, symbolic, instruction, code. So, all of you know the computer is a versatile machine capable of performing different tasks from very simple mathematical operations to complex mathematical calculations, and from very simple designs to multimedia animation, right? So, BASIC was developed in Dartmouth College in USA by Professor John G. Kemeny and Thomas E. Coates in May 1964. So, what are the versions of Qbasic? So, Basic, Basica, GW Basic, Qbasic 1.0, Qbasic 4.5, Qbasic 64, etc. These are the versions of Qbasic, right? So, Qbasic 64, that is a 64 is modern version of the basic programming language. It runs on operating system like XP, Linux, Windows, okay, Windows Vista and Windows 7. Okay. Now, for example, we will take when we plan to go to our friend's house, we first program our mind that how and which route we will follow, right, to reach their house. If we miss the route in between, we cannot reach his or her house, right. Similarly, a computer follow the instructions specified in the programs and perform the functions accordingly. Okay, the person who create programs are called programmers or coders. Okay, they are writing the coding, right? So, for a program, so the person is known as programmers or coders. Okay, what is programs? The set of instructions is called programs. The set of instructions are called programs, and the language used. Okay, if you are writing in C language, so that is a C programming, right? So, the language is C. Same thing C++, okay, COBOL, Fortran, right? The language used by the programmers to write computer programs is called programming language. So, if you are using the BASIC, okay, the programming language is BASIC. Now, we are using which one? Programming language is BASIC. Okay, with the help of BASIC, we will learn how to write the programs. Okay, what are the programming language? For example, BASIC, Fortran. The Fortran means formula translator. Same thing, Pascal, COBOL. COBOL stands for Common Oriented Business Oriented Language. Same thing, C, C++, Java are some examples of programming language. Okay. In this session, we will learn, okay, Qbasic and its advantages, rules of Qbasic and the types of mode in Qbasic. Okay. So, the basic is what? Programming language used for beginners. It is very easy and simple to understand. Okay. So, it stands for beginners all-purpose symbolic instruction code, right now. Okay. Now, Qbasic is easy, okay, and the Qbasic is high level programming language, right. So, the basic here we are using uses simple English, okay, and the mathematical symbols to write programs. That is why the basic program is what? It is very easy. Every command or instructions in basic is called a statement. Okay, every command or instructions in basic is called statement, and the statement should be written according to the specific set of rules of the language. Okay, that is known as syntax. So Qbasic is an integrated development programming language, allows us to write programs. Okay, it is IDE. So IDE is what? Integrated Development Environment. So Basic uses English like words and mathematical symbols to write programs. That's why the basic language is easy to learn. So every command or instruction in Basic is called a statement. Suppose if I am giving a is equal to 5, that is the a's value is 5. So that is the instructions, right? Okay. So that is known as statement. Okay. Now statement should be written according to the specific set of rules of the language, which are called syntax of the statements. While writing languages English, Hindi, Marathi, you are using grammar. Same thing here also, while writing the program, some rules has to be followed. So that is known as syntax, okay, which are called syntax of the statement. Okay, the first of all, the statement in Qbasic consists of 3 parts. That is a line number, basic statement and optional comment. Okay, so Qbasic consists of 3 parts: line number, basic statement and optional comment. Okay. Okay, now what are the rules of Qbasic? While writing a program, okay, you have to follow some rules. The first one is all Qbasic programs are made up of series of commands or instructions, okay, are called statements. Suppose I told just now I told you a is equal to 5. Print numbers. 5 is 5 plus 10. Okay, these are all what you are giving the instruction to the computers. So that is known as command. That is known as command. Statements are written according to specific set of rules of the language, okay, which are called syntax. You have to follow some rules. So that is known as syntax. The main important thing is every statement should have at least one basic command word. In Qbasic, while writing the program, every statement, okay, should have at least one basic command word. Okay, the one basic commands. The words that Basic recognizes are called keywords. Okay, so what is keywords? The keywords are what? Formed by using characters of a Qbasic character set. That is a Qbasic character set. Keywords are statements, commands, functions. Okay, that keywords are what? Built-in functions. Okay, okay, and the name of operators. So the keywords are also called reserved word. The keywords are also called reserved words. Some reserved words are CLS, rem, input, let, print, for, rem. These are all what? Keywords. Okay, so that is a built-in functions. Okay, it is already there. So Qbasic will understand when you are doing let a is equal to 5. The let is what? Keyword. So okay, now we will learn what are the parts of a Qbasic screen. Okay, first of all, title bar. So title bar displays the program. Here you can see Microsoft Qbasic 4.5. Okay, that is what? Title bar. Next, menu bar. So menu bar displays the command menu. That is what? File, edit, right? So can you see here menu bar? It has a 7 menus. Okay, so every menu has a drop down options containing several options. So you can select the menu by using mouse or you can use a shortcut key. Okay, can you see the main here? File, edit, view, search, run, debug option. These are all menu, right? Okay, so you can use the sub menu, okay, by clicking the mouse pointer or you can use what? Shortcut key. Now can you see here status bar? The status bar displays the current status of the program file and some keyword shortcuts. Some keyword shortcuts are there. It displays what? Current status. And can you see the some keywords? That is shift M, right? Help, F2, F5. Okay, some keywords. Now most important is here program mode and immediate mode. Okay. So, can you see upper part, that is untitled, they are written, we have written the program there, so that is known as program mode, and where we write programs. And the down you can see the below immediate window is there, right. So, immediate mode, or you can tell direct mode, where we can type a single command and run it to the check it as output. Okay. Now, we will learn the difference now. So, program mode and direct mode or immediate mode, right. So, now immediate mode or program mode. In this mode, you can type single line instruction and output is viewed as soon as the enter key is pressed. Suppose if I have written here print 10 plus 5 and I will press enter key in a direct mode, or you can say immediate mode. There you will get an answer, okay, prompt answer there. Okay, that is known as direct mode. This mode can be used to quick calculations. Okay, the same can you see here. Okay, can you see here immediate mode down? So, that is immediate mode. And program mode in that upper part, right, where it is written untitled. Okay, so in this mode you type a program which is stored in the memory. Here you can use line numbers. Okay, here you have to use the line numbers and you have to write the statements one by one. Okay, line numbers, then print statement, then print and end. See, can you see here the 4 statements are here, there 10, 20, 30, 40 to print a 10 plus 5. But the same thing in the immediate mode, just you will write print 10 plus 5, that is only one statement. Okay, now understood. Okay, direct mode and the program mode, or you can say immediate mode and program mode. Yes, children. Okay, in this session we have learned what is Qbasic. Qbasic stands for Quick Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. So, Basic, Fortran, Pascal, COBOL, C++, these are all what example of programming language, right. So, programming language was developed by whom? John G. Kemeny and Thomas E. Coates in 1964, right. So, Qbasic is an integrated development environment, that is IDE, right, developed by Microsoft to type, edit, debug and execute the basic programs. And we have learned what are the rules, right. Okay. Now, in the next session we will learn how to start the Qbasic, okay, and how to write the programs and okay, constants and variables. So, we will stop this session. Sai Ram.